One of the biggest problems people have in business and in career life is that they can't sell themselves. So I'm here in central London in Leicester Square, and I'm going to be stopping people in the streets and asking them if they'd like to apply for a position in my company. Let's see if someone's got what it takes and can they sell themselves in a real life, on the spot job interview. Let's go. If you worked for me and you saw me moving a dead body, what do you do?
I'll help you with the dead body.
Really? You're taking the piss. What's your name?
Max. I already work in customer service, so I already
good.
have the experience.
Oh, that's good.
Well, I call it customer happiness because customer service, I say, is what Scottish Power do. No one has the life experience I have. No one, not even you. I'm also incredibly, I call it the 3 E's, energetic, empathetic, and energised.
What's the difference between energised and energetic?
Oh, sorry, I've forgotten one of the E's.
And it's pretty similar there. This is your big life lesson, the big 3 E's that you run your life by and you don't remember what the E's are.
Empathetic,
Come on, what's the third E?
And it's escaping me in this moment, but
That let you down, bro.
I'll message you on Instagram later, don't worry.
With that third E. I like it, man. I appreciate your time.
I've got a CV, I'll
Yeah,
keep
good.
with you.
All right, my friend. You broke my family picture.
Oh my God.
That's my picture of my wife and kids.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry, Samuel. I've got big feet.
That is the most precious thing to me in the world, and you broke it, and you didn't remember the 30 either.
I'm so sorry, Samuel.
That's okay. That's okay.
Oh my God.
All right.
Thank you so much. Sorry, mate. Oh my God. I've got such big feet.
I'm coming to get your job.
You want a job?
Yes,
So why should I hire you?
because I've been good salesman.
You're a good salesman.
Yes.
Make me a sale. Sell me those headphones. I want to see how good you can sell.
You want headphone?
I want you to sell them to me.
This is headphone. Do you want headphone? Buy.
That's the worst sales pitch I've ever seen in my entire life.
Do you want headphone? You need the headphone. This is the headphone.
Dude, that's a terrible sales pitch. You're not even selling it. You didn't give me one benefit. You didn't tell me anything about them good. You didn't ask me any questions. You just said, this is headphone, you buy headphone.
No. Do you want the headphone?
No,
This is-
I did want them, but you sold too terribly. Now I don't want them.
Okay.
Right, who's next?
Hello, hello, hello.
What's your name?
My name's Reuben. I'm in the British Army. I command a small team of men through sort of hard, difficult times. So
Wow.
naturally, leadership and commanding potential. It's all about face-to-face working with people.
This is over online, over the computer.
Well, I'm very good online as well. And online, I think there's a lot of similarities actually that come over.
This is like email.
Okay. I did a politics degree as well, which
How much do you spend on your politics degree?
£60,000.
That was a waste of money.
Oh, 100% I agree with you. One of my skills was I managed to do my dissertation in 7 days.
So you left it to the very last minute. Is that how you do life and business? You just
It's not-
leave things till the last minute?
So I don't leave it to last minute in life. It's about taking control.
I think you
and-
talk
and
too
having
much.
that. Okay.
I think you need to just enjoy some quiet.
The soundscape of London. I do struggle with silence.
Yeah,
but-
we need just a little bit of silence.
How long do you want to enjoy the silence, as it were?
I'm enjoying it.
You're loving it.
So you'd be okay with like getting people coffees and things like that?
Oh, 100%.
Great.
You know,
Can I get a
that's
coffee?
yeah. Yeah, I can
Thank
go
you.
for a run. I'll go do that. I'll be back.
I'll see you in a minute.
Happy days. I'm gonna go get him a coffee. Right.
I like him. He's smart, sophisticated. He's been in the army. He's disciplined. Very good. Like him. How's it going?
Very good. Nice to meet you.
So you're looking for a job?
Yes, absolutely.
Question for you. If you worked for me
Yeah.
and you saw me one day
Yeah.
moving a dead body, what do you do?
I'll help you with the dead body.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're
Yeah.
prepared to break the law? Now, unashamed criminal.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Why are you looking for a normal job with me?
Yes, that is like, I don't have a team or like of friends where it's like powerful.
Do you think that might be because you are a criminal? This is a picture of my beautiful family.
I knew.
Do you think my wife is pretty?
Very well.
Would you have sex with her?
Never.
No.
Never.
I'd like to see you smash the photo frame on the floor hard.
I'm so sorry about that. I can't.
You can't.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay. Be gone. Be gone.
Thank you.
Be gone. Can't follow simple instructions. He can move a dead body but can't smash glass. Where is my coffee? That's what I want to know. Where's my coffee?
I'm a law student and I want to go into property law. So that's the main thing that attracted me and wanted me to apply, is that I'm already on the route in terms of property.
The thing is, you keep saying like you're young. You don't look that young to me. How old are you?
23.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're not that young.
Not that young, but still quite young.
You see this job as a stepping stone.
Not necessarily.
You see working for my company is a stepping stone to where you want to go.
It is.
It's all about you.
No.
Not about the company, not about the customer, it's all about you.
It is a stepping stone because you have to start somewhere. So
Damn.
you don't know where you're gonna
You really just
where
said
you're
that
gonna be.
in a job interview. You really just said this is a stepping stone. Damn. You're very self-centered, you know.
No, not me. Never.
All right, off you go. Oh, he's here.
Hello.
Reuben is back. And he got 3. Oh, what happened?
Bit of a wait. Well, I forgot to ask you specifically what type of coffee you want, so I went for a variety.
Oh.
That was my bad.
Oh my goodness.
So I went for a medium cappuccino, a latte, a black coffee,
Which one's
and I
the
went for a
latte?
caramel waffle latte.
All right, here's what I want you to do, right? Give me the latte, and I want to see you sell the other 3.
Sell the other 3.
Yeah. Just see if you can sell one of the others to one of those guys over there.
All right then. So someone over there.
Yeah. Or anyone.
Happy days. Hello guys.
No drama.
Hello. Do any of you like black coffee?
There's millions and millions of people, specifically in London, and today I want to be interviewing people back to back to back to back.
I'm scared.
So question is, why should I hire you over somebody else?
Trustworthy, I'm honest.
I would expect you to be those things.
Okay,
You're naming
some
basic
people-
things that everybody would expect.
Why should you hire me? Because I believe I've got all the,
You don't like black coffee? Okay, how about I do this? So you buy it off me now, and then I can maybe sweeten the deal, give you something else for it as well.
What's your proudest moment you've ever had professionally?
I haven't got there yet.
You've never done anything professionally that you think, I'm proud of that. And you're how old?
I'm 33.
Jesus had done so much by the age of 33.
So many things that I'm proud of. One, I'm proud to be a go-getter. I'm proud to be here
That's
talking
not
to
a
you.
thing, no, that's not a thing.
No?
You can't be proud of doing an interview that you probably will never get the job of. I think you should interview me.
Okay. What brings you to Samuel Leeds' interview today, Samuel?
Looking for good people to hire. I thought, what better place than central London?
I thought the location could be better. I don't know how you feel about the location. Perhaps Chinatown would have been better?
Maybe. Can you tell me, without looking, what the time is right now?
I'd say about 3:30.
2:57.
For me, it's about evolving constantly, and if I'm not
Are you
told-
strong?
I'm a very strong
Are you
individual.
physically strong?
Yes, I am.
Arm wrestle me.
Oh my God. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Ready and go.
So this black coffee that I just got from McDonald's there, is that something I can interest you in at all? Hello, Mom. Can I proposition you with something a bit strange?
Do you have a good vocabulary?
Of course I do.
Can you even spell vocabulary?
Yes, I can.
Go on.
VOCABUR. I'm being.
You can't
I
spell
can.
it. I don't see any aggression. Passion.
Passion.
Fire. Fuel. Where is it? Oh, you just smashed that photo on the floor.
Smash it.
Yeah, on the floor. That was my family. What did you think about the saying, the customer is always right?
The customer is sometimes always right, but not
How can you sometimes
always.
be always something?
No, this.
That was a sitting on the fence answer.
It'll be like a 6 months project. For
6
me.
months, suck all the energy,
That's it.
suck all the resources, big fat stepping stone, and then go do something bigger and better.
Correct.
Sounds awful.
No one in London seems to like black coffee. I'm from mid Wales, so that's how people get through their day where I am.
Yeah, but how much would you like to be making?
Over 100 mil.
Over 100
Mil.
100 mil?
Yeah, I don't think it's about.
No, we can't. We can't afford that. Hey.
Yeah.
All right, good. I look forward to.
Thank you so
I'll be in
much.
touch. Okay.
Thank you very much.
It
We'll
weren't-
take your details.
It weren't enough, or was it enough?
Well, you tell
Listen,
me.
I think it was great. But,
I think it was. Well, there we go. You should be proud of
I
yourself.
am.
Well done.
Thanks a
We'll be
lot.
in touch. But I would not want to have you as a member of staff.
But I would. Okay. So.
Thank you. Goodbye. We'll be in touch.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. How much you selling for?
50p.
Here you go. Let me reimburse your coffees.
No.
No, please, let me reimburse.
Thank you very much. That was
We'll be
an
in touch.
excellent experience.
I'm glad it was. Good to see you, man. Out of everybody that I interviewed, I think probably the person that was the most deserving of the job was Reuben. He just came across brilliantly. So we're going to offer him an official contract here at Samuel Leeds. What are you doing right now again?
The army, but I'm also a reservist as well. For me, it's a duty to something bigger than myself, and that's important to me.
So why would you quit that job to come and work for this job?
So I love that, but I want to provide for my girlfriend. That's a massive drive for me. And I want experiences. Coming from a rural bit of Wales, you know, we've got some sheep and there's towns, and then coming here and you look around and you go, wow, this place is amazing. I will regret it for the rest of my life if I was offered a job right now and I didn't just sign on that dotted line.
Are you ready to sign on the dotted line?
Yeah.
You got the job, my brother.
Thank you very, very much. I walked into London today, all the way from Wales, and then I was in a job interview, and I was speaking to my missus about it. I went, if I get offered it, which is 1 in a million in my head, I was like, I think I just take it, because there's not many opportunities that get thrown that hard in your face, and in life you just got to take some things.
I'm so happy.
Are you proud of him?
Yeah, my baby cried.
He's just signed his new contract. He's starting on Monday.
I think Samuel's a lovely man. I think he's really friendly, really energetic, and I'm really excited to work in his team.
Well done.
Very, very
Welcome
much.
to the team.
Excellent.
I'll send you the office address and we'll see you on Monday.
All right. This is probably the strangest job interview I've ever had.